Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is access modifier and non-access modifier in Java. So let's start access modifiers. Access modifiers are the is the keyword that are used to in before a class name. It refers to access scope in Java. So access modifier is Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor or a class. There are two types of access modifiers. First one is the access modifier and second one is the non-access modifier. In access modifier in four types. First one is a public, second one is a private, third one is a protected, and fourth one is a default. So public, first is a public. Public is a access level. A public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from with the class, outside the class, and with the package and outside the package. There are private access modifier. It is access level of private modifiers. It only within the class. Within a class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the class. Third one is a protected. Protected is the access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you not make a child class, it can be not access to the package outside the package. Default modifiers, the access level is the default modifier only. It only with the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify access level, it will be the default. There are many non-access modifiers, modifiers. First one is such as static, final, abstract, synchronize, native, volatile, and transit, etc. So understanding the Java access modifiers. Private is within the class and within the no one within the package, and default is within a class and with the packages, and protected is with the class with packages and subclass only. So public is within a class within a package, subclass in only subclass. Then start with the private. Private is the access modifier is accessible only within the class. So example is a private access modifier is we have created two classes, A and a simple A. A class contain private data member and private methods. We are accessing then private members from outside the class, so there is a compile time error. Let's start with example is a class A, private variable data type in integer. The integer A equals to 40. So private keyword use and private null value is void. Void message is a system.out.print hello Java. Then class is a public class. A is name simple. Public main method, public static void main. So object are created. Object name, object equals to new keyword, and then object name. System.out.print is object.data. Then show is a compiler error. So role of the private constructor. If you may any class constructor private, you cannot create an instance of class from the outside the class. Next one is the default. Default access modifier is a do not use any modifier. It is treated as default by default. Default modifier is accessible only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides non-accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Example of default access modifier is we have created two packages A and B. We are accessing A class from the outside its package.